Hi there, this is Mike from Presto Mike, and in today's episode, I'm going to show you 6 of my favorite preset and filter combinations to use in Luminar 2018 for Windows. Let's get started. When you work in Luminar, you have to work with presets, which are nothing but a pre-packaged set of filters designed to get you maximum benefits with minimum clicks. The first of my favorites is Fix Dark Photos and Brilliant in Structure, all 3 put together. You will use this if your photos are dark, lack a little color, or need details to be shown. The next one is Enhanced Reality and Saturation. The name speaks for itself, Enhanced Reality. Use this when you want your photos to look more lifelike. I like to add a little saturation to it to boost the colors for an added effect. The next one, Image Enhancer, Dramatic and Orton. Now you can use this combination generously. The Image Enhancer makes sure that your shadows and highlights are well balanced. Dramatic adds a bit more brightness and contrast to image, and the Orton effect softens up the image to make it more appealing. Try it on your photos and let me know if it works for you. Vivid and Structure. This is one of my favorites. When I want to boost the colors in my image, sometimes to extremes, and add detail to its textures, I use it. Fifth one is the Portrait Soft Glow and Top-Bottom Lighting. Now, this filter set can be used for your portraits, people, babies, anything. Try it on these portraits and you will need to adjust the strength of the filters to get the desired effect. Sometimes software just gives you too much of it. The last one is for those who desire very fast results. You pretty much will be happy with the results on first use, and the filter combination is Auto Smart plus AI. So there we have it, 6 fantastic combinations of presets and filters that will make your Luminar 2018 workflow a much smoother, easier and enjoyable one. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.